Omo, it is official. Kaiser Chiefs has ascended to the heavens today. Make it make sense. One goal down, 3-1 it ended. Who will believe this, guys? Kaiser Chiefs, where has this football been all this while? Guys, did you not see the second goal? After Duba has scored the first goal, the second goal, I thought he was going to try, before in back days. Kaiser Chiefs would just be trying balls and just be shooting up and down. But today, Duba, my man, he made a way. He made a way. He left it open. He opened it. And who connected it? Shabala la 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 my man. Boom shakalaka. What a goal. That is what we call teamwork at play. Not you go just one score. Everybody, let's try. Come on. What a game, guys. Orbit College, you have been schooled. First time last year, this time around the return leg. 7-1 aggregate. Orbit College, please go back to school. What a game, guys. As it stands, yes, so many competitions for Kaiser Chiefs when it comes to the third place. But then, this is the game that we are talking about. Kaiser Chiefs, at least for this moment, be consistent. And let's not see whether they will not make it to at least the CAF Confederations Cup come next year. What a game, guys. Big congratulations to the entire team. And my boy, Lebo, 3 times consecutive man of the match. Obo, good.
Team enkulu yase-South Africa isivele yavulela induku lapha kwimagesi, rightfully so. Ibingekho yenze njani bafethu, besifanele sikhali isibhaqa. Nangempela sakhala, wohlo. 3 goals, 3 points, siphuma kanje. Size ngomsebenzi. Now, from a Kaiser Chiefs point of view, I think we will all agree with the first 30 minutes of the game, nonsense. Yeah. Absolute nonsense by Kaiser Chiefs, right? The rotation of the ball was not great enough. They were outplayed. They were outran by Imagesi. Imagesi was so dominant, right? Shockingly enough, they were so dominant. But after Kaiser Chiefs went a goal down, as a reaction to that, they started playing good football, of which is bad, I think. I think you need to show your powers from the word go, not to reveal your powers as a reaction to what has happened. Well, because what happens if you face a team that's a bit strong in defense? Amaputa unnecessary by Bruce Vuma. I mean, cover the near post. It's the first rule of goalkeeping. Cover the near post. You can't be beaten on the near post, right? Defensive errors by defense. Our players were left unmarked by defense Kaiser Chiefs in the first 30 minutes, and they could have been punished. There was an opportunity that Imagesi got where they were shy upright. Such opportunities against stronger opposition, you're going to be buried. But kudos to Kaiser Chiefs, the way they picked themselves up, especially on the second half. Bedlala ibhola khona la matouch bebalithinta abafana carpet football into emnandi into eyenza ukuthi siye stadium sobuka ibhola, right? I loved what uMaboy did. uMaboy bafethu umalume lebuhang Maboy i-ankeli. 3 games in a row Chiefs win. Guess who is the man of the match? Lebohang Maboy is the man of the match in all those 3 games. It's not a coincidence. He's the guy that makes everything tick. Once he ticks, the rest of the team ticks. Great performance by the boys. I like what they did on the second half. If they can play the type of football they played in the second half, abantu bazokubona kwabona uSaul. I'm telling you.
Everybody that was doubting, come back. No, don't run away far. Come back, yeah. Because you all doubted me earlier today when I said it's guaranteed 3 points. I know Orbit College. There is nothing, respectfully to Orbit College, but there is nothing to fear. And I said I want a repeat of last time with just one shot. But yeah, 3 points collected, top 8 secured. Now we locked in top 8. Now it's time to chase the top 3 position. And also, I want all those Amakosi fans to come back as well. Those Amakosi fans, before the Durban City game, when people are toying, these coaches must leave, and I said, whoa. I was probably the only Kaiser Chiefs fan who said, whoa, guys, let these guys finish the end of the season. They will finish in the top 8 position. Top 3 might be tough, but they could do it. Let them see the season out. Also, you guys come back. Because you said we're not going to win, we're not going to beat Magesi, we're not going to beat Orbit, we're not going to beat Durban City. Come back, yeah, don't run far away. I was the positive one. I said, no, these guys can do it. Look where we are now. Now you, the same people will be saying, give us Liverpool. Don't do that. Don't flip-flop. Be straight. But yeah, anyways, looking at the game, good combination play there. Quick, they're moving the ball very quickly in those pockets. Nice one, boys. But you know, I prefer Kaizer Chiefs with Ndlovu on the pitch, because we tend to move the ball faster. Ngobo tends to hold on for a few extra touches, which kills the momentum when we're going forward. But yeah, good combination play, cross, brilliant game. Monyane up and down, working very hard. Even sometimes I had to question a few things. Lilepo modivuma. Yeah, man, that's the topic for another day. Let's not get into any negativity. But yeah, good performance throughout from everybody. Well done. But also, I need to understand something. Orbit College, Pochetso, I think his name is, sorry, the coach. I need to understand these teams in relegation and these coaches. So you lead 1-0, okay, Sharp. You leading. Kaizer Chiefs equalize 1-1. Kaizer Chiefs are putting constant pressure on you. You make no changes. You don't change anything. Okay, maybe you're still holding on because it's 1-1. You're hoping that nothing changes. Kaizer Chiefs score 2-1. You still do no changes, nothing. You don't change any system. You're still dropping back and defending deep. Oh, what? And then Kaizer Chiefs go 3-1. And then in the 80-something minutes, you want to make 4 changes. I don't understand. I don't understand those decisions. Right? And no wonder these teams are fighting relegation, because some things need to be questioned. But anyways, 3 points collected. Next game, TS Galaxy. That might be a tricky 3 points. I'll leave it settled for...
ngathi akuhambi kahle kwezinsuku ngo hayi akuhambi kahle zi-Sundowns ngapha zisusa ku-position 1 ziyasipusha ngapha zi-Chiefs zisifakela i-pressure sekunumber 3 Chiefs ifike nini Chiefs number 3 and isene-game in hand ay khona into yenzekileyo apho kwenzeke ntoni kanti and bane-game in hand i-Chiefs ibuye kukore kuqala ikuthi nje amabhakani iyavuyela into engekhoyo nje abuye yazi yakora 3 goals i-Chiefs 3 goals ay ndivele ndeva nje ngegoal yesibini ndeva i-depression inyuka ngasezimbanjeni ndayiva nathi kubani ngokufowunayo utheni ndifowunela zi-private number sekuyini i-Chiefs andizuyibamba hawu azibamba noba ngumsebenzi mawuphose utheni bathula all along ndazofowunelwa xa sekuwine Chiefs azibamba hawu masaze ndibambe izobamba yona azibamba
ayikho i-team engafundi emaphutheni ayo njenge-Orbit College. Last time sidlala nayo sasizimisele ngokushaya amagoli ayi-2 yabe yashaya igoli kwangu-2-1 savele saphambana emva koko sayenzani i-Orbit College. Namhlanje ikora qala waphambana uDuba baphambana oNdlovu yaphambana i-Kaizer Chiefs. Into besibagqusha yona bayosihlonipha nalapho bayakhona bazothi nje besehlathini bathi Kaizer Chiefs, abazufuna nokuliva igama elithi Kaizer Chiefs ngoba umlungu haye bebakhuphukisa umlungu ebekhuphuka. Sayenzani Orbit College ngeke iphinde isikhohlwe.
Izinja madod ezakhavaza wina man Kaizer Chiefs full time score of Kaizer Chiefs 3 Orbit College 1. The first time was so nice, we had to do it twice. Bafethu uhloniphani Kaizer Chiefs. I told you all Kaizer Chiefs is back. Bayern Munich Chiefs, Kaizer Munich, Bayern Chiefs, whatever. See Bayern Zina, we are bigger than all of you. We are bigger. The league ile impossible ngathi ngibala laphana bafethu engifuna nje ukubonga bafethu Kaizer Chiefs is back 3 times in a row as bafethu Hugo Bruce if engavuleke ekhanda la abonse nanga umdlalo consistent hayi labadlali bakhe abayishipha abagcwele lapha bafana bengazi bazonzana nayi indaba la ikhona Beautiful display of football by Kaizer Chiefs. And ugeneral webhola na bafethu uyalazi. Ngeke ube man of the match 3 times in ungalazi. Uyalazi. Hey Hugo Bruce lekhanda liqinile. Nanga umdlali. Funa bafana bafanele perform kahle. Nanga umuntu uzowenza bafana bafanitiki. Mangakuboni lokho hayi bafethu nilibuka kanje ibhola straight. Beautiful display of football by Kaizer Chiefs. Bheka nje fethu. As if it wasn't for those missed chances, ngabe siphinde ngo400 lapha. Abafethu Kaizer Chiefs inkulu le club mfethu. Hibo as IQ kabantu leduba. Yabona la goli lika hey bafethu ngeke. Yabona igoli lika Mthunzi Shabalala. IQ kaDuba. Igoli lika Duba. Igoli kanje bafethu ngeke. Kaizer Chiefs we are back. Ngicela nje sibambe kanje apha nsithi idlala lezi ship ezuthiwe kuyiPirates neSundowns. Abezela. Futhi ngifuna neBarcelona Lamine Yamal akezela.
Excel lani la. Ngicela nilalele la nonke nilalele. iKaizer Chiefs le. Yona Kaizer Chiefs asiyaziyo le. I don't even know how many games in a row swawinile. Siyawina. This is normal. Ukuwina kuthina it's normal to us. This is normal. How? Silindi derby kuyimanje. Sifuna neMadrid, Barcelona beze manje bonke. We are ready by fire by force. This is normal. Winning is for us is normal. Let club ibuyisile ngathi. I won't lie, but I never gave up. Because kube Kaizer Chiefs awuyikhetheli, ukhethelwa amadlozi, amakhosi. Abuyile amakhosi. This is the club we know. Sifuna France, Spain abasifaki kwi-World Cup. Asikene kwi-World Cup. Sireta ayizwe nedabi ayize basab akuze kwasane manje. This is the Kaizer Chiefs we know. I never lost hope le club. Bengiphulile inhliziyo but today tears of joy.
This guy over here, oh my god, he's only 25 years old, and anywhere else that is old in football, but in South Africa that is not old, right? Omonyane is still very young. This guy can be one of the best right backs. I am telling you, oh my goodness, I am telling you, this guy has a potential of being one of the best right backs in South Africa. Hugo Bros didn't make a mistake by calling him that one time he did. Wambizela Ingondi, was it a friendly against Zambia? I can't remember. This guy is talented. There's a lot of potential right here. He can be one of the best right backs. What I love about him is being a modern player. He offers you something at the back defensively and also forward when you are attacking, right? There's a lot of potential here. If he can lock in and forget about Amanto Mazane, you can see the amount of potential that is in this player, Uthabiso Monyane. He left the parity for Ilokuza Kaizer Chiefs. He's been an important player for Kaizer Chiefs, starting some of the games. But I'm telling you, if angakhohlwa amantombazane and focus on football, ningayibona lento engisho, there is a player right here. He just needs to log in and focus on our strengths arc, right? He can focus on our strengths arc. I think Coach Bello Kuza, they prefer him to be playing forward mostly today in a game against OPT. He wasn't really found at the back. Kuza. In fact, both our center backs, they had to do double jobs today. They had to do their jobs and also Imsebenzi full backs. But again, because they prefer him, that is what he offers you. Right, Ama crosses and playing forward and linking up with Ama wingers and also number 10 Wosu. There is a lot of potential in this guy. It's just unfortunate that a lot of players as in South Africa, once they play for big teams, they see it as an opportunity to be mischievous and get any girl that they want and do whatever that they want. But this guy has a lot of potential. I wish you could actually realize it. I wish you could.
Bafethu let's see for video namhlanje, and I'll be honest, igame angibuka ngayonke ne I only managed to watch the first half, and the first half I was like, yeah, Orbit College, but then like yeah, go Orbit College in fact. First half it was like a typical Kaizer Chiefs game for me now. But at some point I was like, why is Orbit College like dominating the Chiefs? Not saying they were dominant, but like played better than Chiefs first half, but then go to Umbabe I don't know, like momentum shifted, then it was all just Chiefs. And as I can't believe ukuthi mfethu ku-PSL khona ama-teams afana no-Orbit College noMagesi. Ekubeni khona ama-teams afana no-Cape Town City asehlathini mfethu. It makes no sense to me. Teams like abo-Cape Town City mfethu like adingeka ku-PSL and ngiyazi ukuthi-ke ibhola mfethu alidlala ukuthi wena ubani kanjani. But I'm just saying ukuthi teams like i-Cape Town City, teams who are financially stable and teams who can buy ama-player rights mfethu and develop proper players. Mina ngaba PSL mfethu, because you look at i-Cape Town City manje, like they still have like good players. Namanje Cape Town City, even though they got relegated by Ehlathini, they still have good players at team nabo and they might get promoted soon. And I want them to get promoted because we need competition in the league, bruh. We can't just be Pirates, Chiefs, Sundowns, maybe sometimes Stellenbosch. We need to go to Cape Town City khona. And ngiyazi ukuthi bengadlali Cape Town City, but I'm just saying ukuthi teams like Umakes, no Orbit, but short this league because they bring absolutely nothing. There is nothing. You can't even watch game your Orbit. I was surprised about Mpahlela. I was like, Mpahlela Orbit. Okay, that's okay. That just shows you how much. Like I can't, but teams like ETS Galaxy, I can watch it. Teams like Stellenbosch, I can watch it. Teams like Cape Town City, I can watch those teams. And that's what I'm saying. We need those teams with PSL. And as I said, I didn't watch Ikeme. I only watched the first half, and Chiefs were bad the first half. But then they equalized, wada. And from what I'm hearing and from what I've seen, they were better in the second half. Any goal I won't lie. Beautiful goal. And I'm here for good Shabalala because I don't like. I want to face you. Ushabalala no Tito. Those guys are my favorite players, and I hate it when those guys like get attacked and they get scrutinized. I hate it. And as for Utu, as much as Akorile, not really a fan, but shout out to him, bruh. Shout out to him. And that's it for today. Make sure you guys comment, subscribe, and Paris, Arus.